Storytelling, terrific insights. Have done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. With me or against me? 1. Helping me carry groceries or pretending the bags are invincible. Actions speak louder than words. 2. Cheering when I succeed or hoping I fail. True comrades celebrate each other's victories. 3. Sharing useful advice or adding confusion. Good guidance helps everyone grow. 4. Solving the problem or becoming a part of it. Teamwork beats drama every time. 5. Giving encouragement or endless complaints. Positive words can brighten someone's day. 6. Standing by me during tough times or disappearing. Loyalty shines when life gets difficult. 7. Laughing with me or laughing at me. Kind humor brings people together. 8. Keeping promises or making excuses. Reliability builds trust. 9. Listening carefully or only waiting to talk. Good listeners make great comrades. 10. Sharing ideas or keeping all the credit. Success is sweeter when shared. 11. Offering a helping hand or saying not my problem. Small acts of kindness matter. 12. Speaking honesty or spreading rumors. Honesty creates a stronger relationship. 13. Encouraging my dreams or saying you cannot do it. Support inspires confidence. 14. Working together or competing over everything. Cooperation often leads to better results. 15. Celebrating everyone's success or feeling jealous. Happiness grows when shared. 16. Being respectful or looking down to others. Respect earns respect. 17. Finding solutions or only pointing out problems. Problem solvers make life easier. 18. Bringing peace or starting unnecessary arguments. Calm conversations build understanding. 19. Making people smile or making everyone uncomfortable. A little kindness goes a long way. 20. Being with me through ups and downs or only showing up when it's convenient. Genuine support is shown through consistent actions. Life isn't really about asking who's with me or against me. It's all about choosing to be someone who encourages, respect, and lift others up. Kindness is always a winning team. Kindly like, share, subscribe. Gracias.